This is an introduction to the Liffey College e-learning platform. To access the platform, go to your student portal at student.liffeycollege.ie. After you've logged in, click on e-learning on the left-hand side. The online materials are organized by week, for example, week 1, and then organized into days. Each day is divided into part 1 and part 2. Click on the page to change the page, and scroll down to view different slides in each activity. Make sure you bring a paper notebook to write down your answers in class. Extra resources can be found at the bottom of the left-hand side. Please feel free to have a look on your own or to ask your teacher for guidance in class. Thank you for watching.